Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can send a USDT from Bybit to Bitget. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So what you're going to be doing is simply going to go ahead, open up your particular. So once you've opened up your Bitget app, what you're going to do is you're going to simply go to the section of your wallet and gonna copy the address of your Bitget wallet. Once you have done that, you're gonna go ahead, open up your Bybit app right over here, and you're gonna go ahead, go to the section of asset. From over here, you're gonna go to the section of withdraw, and you're gonna go ahead, add the email. First of all, you're gonna simply have to set up your wallet. Once you have done that, you will have to add in an address where you want to withdraw it. The withdrawal address have to be of your Bitget. Once you have provided the Bitget address and chosen the currency, which is the USDT, and added the amount, you're going to review the information and you're going to confirm it, and that's how your transaction will be done, and your USDT will be sent to Bitget itself. So that's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.